Make your ALF social media irresistible. Let's be real, most assisted living facilities either don't have a social media presence, or when they do, it's dry, boring, and it is just not engaging. That's not going to make families stop scrolling, but don't worry. You don't need a marketing team or fancy gear. Here's how to make your ALF social media actually work and even be fun. Step one, show real life. Forget stock photos, forget them. Show real residents laughing, meals being served, birthdays, staff doing their thing. Step two, create simple themes. Make it easy to stay consistent. Try things like Menu Mondays, Tour Tuesdays, Feel Good Fridays. Step three, use short videos. Reels, TikTok stories, doesn't matter, 15 to 30 seconds. These videos could be anything, like I said, it could be about food, it could be about activities, it could be a short tour of the facility. Step four, now this is the easiest part. Once you've created some social media content, you can repurpose it. You can use it as a post on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can then make it into a video, you can make it into different formats on your social media platforms. Step five, tell little micro stories. A short caption like, Miss Gloria turned 92 today. Her only request, chocolate cake and Frank Sinatra. Boom, you got an emotional connection. Most important in your social media content, you're not just selling care, you're selling connection. So try to make your posts connect with the viewers. You've got to think things that might connect with the family emotionally, and that will turn your social media into a whole new ball game. And trust me, at first it's going to be a little difficult, you might feel a little uncomfortable, but with time you'll get better and better at it, and it'll become a piece of cake. But the main key to all this is you got to stay consistent. You've got to do it every week, potentially every day, because if you're not doing it, good chance your competitor is. And the first thing that your tours are going to do usually, they're going to Google you and they're going to go on your platforms and see if you're posting anything. And if you haven't posted anything in who knows how long, and your competitor's posting every day and it's engaging, guess which facility more than likely they're going to have a better feeling when they go do the tour of the facility. This is Pascal, guys. Take care.